everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sinisha and this is PeepSo Feature Highlights. Today we're gonna wrap up our mini-series regarding widgets. In first two episodes we talked about the widgets included in PeepSo Free Foundation that you can find on the WordPress plugin directory and PeepSo Free Bundle. Today, however, we are going to install PeepSo Ultimate Bundle and install all the core plugins which will add some widgets as well. However, in this episode, I am not going to talk about widgets that are included with third-party integrations. For example, LearnDash has its own PeepSo plugin, PeepSo widget, that you can add when this integration is enabled. Now, the reason I don't want to spend time on those widgets explaining them here is because we have the separate PeepSo feature highlight episode for every single one of these integrations, okay? And you can go to our channel and simply search for PeepSo Advanced Ads or PeepSo LearnDash if you want to see the video about this specific integration, okay? So now I already actually installed all of the core plugins from the PeepSo Ultimate Bundle, and there are two more widgets that are added with this setup. So they are file uploads and user limits widget. Actually, there are three, but two of them are basically similar. You'll see in the rest of the video. So let's begin. I want to start with file uploads widgets because there is two of them that are kind of similar to each other. So if we search for files, we can find PeepSo Files widget and PeepSo Community Files widget. Now, if you followed our previous two episodes, you will immediately tell the difference between these two. But if you're first time here, let me just tell you that PeepSo Files widget will display all of the files that current user has uploaded. So if I go here, I can see that Vanessa Davis uploaded two files, okay? She is the owner of these two files. And if I publish this widget, let's say in sidebar left on top, so it will show right over here. Update this widget. You can choose how many files you want to show, title of the widget, hide when empty even. Refresh the page. And now these two files uploaded by Vanessa Davis have been is going to show in this widget that we published over here. Now I can go and upload more files. Let's do that. This is some of the icons we are using. Let's upload this file, post. Now Vanessa have uploaded one more file and she actually has only 3 files on this website. When I refresh the page, now this Twitter icon is also showing as uploaded file. All right, so what's the difference between widgets of community files and PeepSo files? All right, so this PeepSo files widget will only show files that have been uploaded by a specific user that is currently seeing the page or that is currently logged in. PeepSo community file, on the other hand, will gather all the community files into single widget and display them to all users. Similarly to how latest photos or latest media is displaying all the community photos that are public or site members, that is how community files widget will behave as well. So it will display all the files from your community that you have right or permission to see. Now for this next widget, I created a specific account that is limited through user limits plugin. And immediately you can tell that this account is limited because there is a huge message over here on top showing what you need to do in order to unlock your account. And this will be shown to every single PeepSo page. Okay, so wherever I go within PeepSo, this message will always be displayed. Okay, even if I go to somebody else's profile, I will still see the message that I need to do this. Okay, that's fine, but what if you want to display this message to the pages that are not PeepSo? Okay, so you might have a shop or a blog or whatever, and you want to display this kind of message on your blog page, for example. So this is my blog page. I don't have any blogs on this site. This is just a placeholder page used for testing purposes, but you can immediately see that user is not aware anymore that their account is limited. So how to fix this? Let's go back to our admin account, and from the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance Widgets. And here in the widgets, look for user limits or just limits. And PeepSo user limits widget will be displayed. Let's publish it in the right sidebar. And if this happens to you, just click on the plus icon here and search for the limits or PeepSo user limits over here. Okay, let's display that on top of it and give it a title. For example, your account is limited, and simply just update the widget. That's everything you need to do. All right, now let's go back to our limited account, refresh this page, and now we have a widget showing basically the similar message that we have here in the community. Okay, so if you go to the page that is not PeepSo specific, you can still tell your users what they need to do in order to unlock the account. And now we covered all the widgets available in PeepSo in all three possible packages. So regardless if you're using the free foundation, free bundle or ultimate bundle, now you know all of the widgets that you have on your disposal. For the next week, we are preparing a surprise, a completely new integration for the plugin that we've been developing for quite some time now. And if you want to see that, you know what you need to do. All right, subscribe, hit that bell notification icon, and follow us on social media. We are present there as well. All the links will be in the description below. Until the next video, I wish you all the best with your websites. Bye!